So I forgot what I was going to say.
We're going to Home Depot.
All right, yeah.
To pick up some supplies, right?
Yeah. All right. So this video is not scripted, but I wanted to show people how you can sort of like create a home studio on a budget or find like really creative ways to do it. So right now we're in the middle of a move. We're like on day 3 of our move, and I'm trying to figure out how I can put one in my room. So I'm my mother's husband.
Hey, everyone.
And you know, he's gonna help me put together so like my new home studio set up in my room to record my YouTube videos and all my other video content. So yeah, the first thing that we got when we came to Home Depot was nails. This is basically the only thing that we needed because we had all the other supplies at home and we just needed to get the right nail. The other ones that we had were too long and they weren't going all the way through the wall and through the pipe that we had, so we had to find the right one.
So which ones you want? I want to go with these over this side here. And I think these right here, this is long enough. Let's go with these.
So these are the ones that we ended up getting. They were about $9. Alright, so this is the other part of what we are going to be using. This is, I want to say, the racks that we're going to be putting on the walls, and that is like the shelf things that you put inside the rack to hold up the actual shelves. So these racks, they cost about $10 to $25 depending on which one you get. And we're just showing here, you know, how you put them inside of the rack. And yeah, I learned so much during this trip. Sorry if I butcher the names of any of these products, but yeah, this is the brackets and they cost anywhere from like $6 to maybe like $12 depending on what size you get. And then the last thing that we have is like the actual shelves that, you know, we're gonna put on them. So they're like anywhere from like $12 to like, I want to say 20, and then they come in like different colors, which is cool. So yeah, if you were going to do this by yourself, then the nails, they costed about $9, and then the actual brackets to place them on the wall, they were each $25 for like the biggest ones, and then the actual shelves, they were each like $15 each. So if you got 2 of those shelves for your desk, then, you know, the total cost would be about $89, which honestly, that's about the same price as like a normal desk. But what I like about this way is you can actually customize it and, you know, make it fit to your space. So this right here is the room that we're putting it in. It's in my bedroom. And we're gonna put it on this wall right here. All right, so this video was very random. I did not know I was going to be creating today, so I did not come prepared. Therefore, we do not have a whole video of us putting it up together, but hopefully this explanation, you know, does it justice. So basically what you're going to want to do is put the 2 long, very long racks on the wall, or the long posts. I forgot what they were called. And once you do that, you want to put the brackets where, you know, you want the desk to be, or, you know, how tall it is. So that's what you see us measuring here. And then once you put the long poles up and you put the brackets on there, you can then place your shelves on top of the brackets, you know, for your desk area. And yeah, my phone most definitely cut off after this. But yeah, this is the final product of what it looked like once we were done setting it up. And this is what it looks like once I put my uplights on there, my laptop, my monitor, and all my other random videography stuff. If you want these uplights as well, I have a link in the description box with all of my things that I use